It's estimated that almost 12 million Americans deal with head lice infestations every year. That's 12 million people just in the United States. Now, while lice may seem primitive and simple to deal with, they're apparently harder to get rid of than you might expect. One Israeli company claims to have the answer to ridding your life of lice, and in just a few minutes. Joining me to tell us more is David Tavor, the CEO and board member of ParaSonic. Thank you so much for coming in. So, my entire childhood dealt with head lice. It was the worst, and I know a lot of families have to deal with this with young kids in kindergartens. Now, tell us, what are the risks of having head lice?
It's uncomfortable to wear them all day, and it's annoying, actually. It's nothing that it harms something in your head or scalp, but it's not comfortable and unpleasant. And personally, if you go somewhere and you have to eat yourself all the time,
yeah, it's not nice.
So
who gets laced the most
like
often?
It. Sorry?
Who gets laced the most often?
Kids.
Kids, right?
Yeah.
In kindergarten, young.
Kindergarten, schools, yeah.
Wow. Okay, so from what I understand, it's mainly just about itching, but are there side effects? Can you get sick from having lice?
The parts that you are itching, you can harm your scalp by scratching, and then you have some diseases of the scalp.
Right.
So that's the only thing.
So how does ParaSonic work? You guys created a safer and easier way to get rid of lice, correct?
Yeah, ParaSonic actually develops an innovation that we believe that is the ultimate solution, because the lice cannot develop a resistance to it. And as opposed to any other mean or device in the market, chemicals and others, this device uses ultrasonic waves and destroy all the inner parts of the lice and the eggs.
So how does it work? You run it over your head?
You hold it like that. This is, by the way, not the final version,
okay,
but it's the first version that we have right now. And you comb the head like this. Mm-hmm. Very simple. In a few minutes, the lice and the eggs. And I emphasize the thing that we kill also the eggs at the
Which
same
is
at the
the
same
most
time.
difficult part of getting rid of lice, because
Exactly.
you can get rid of the bugs, but if there are eggs left over, then that's
and if
the
you
nightmare.
if you leave some eggs around, in 2 weeks you have the lice again.
Exactly. All right. So what inspired you to work on this problem? It's a very common problem, obviously.
It's a challenge, and it's something new that I believe, and not only me, but all the others that I'm in touch with, believe that this is a unique innovation, and it will be very, very efficient, and we are lacking something like that.
Well, we certainly are. I mean, there are a million different ways that they say you can get rid of lice, but the process can be a lot more difficult. Now, is this available yet, or when is it going to be available?
Not yet. We are at the last stage of redesigning the device. We've completed a clinical trial, very, very successful, as I told before, and we believe that at the end of the year it will be in the market.
So I guess the final question is
only in a few months.
Yeah, or only in a few months. Well, I guess the final question is, what is next for your company? I mean, are you going to tackle other types of bugs, from bed bugs to, dog fleas?
Yes, exactly. But firstly, we want to treat the people and then the pets. So this is the priority that we put to ourselves.
Well, I'm sure there are a lot of people who are going to want to use this product. I can see there are all these parents already probably watching this thinking, how can I get my hands on that? I don't want to stay home again with my lice-infested children.
Line up and be patient, and within a year you can get it.
Beautiful. All right, well, thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you.